Florida State Trooper.
So it's not even paid parking.
It's expired. Come on, buddy.
Well, leave him a Liberty on tour at least.
Why aren't you ticketing it?
Can we have your name and badge number, sir?
Badge and number. Sir. Sir. It can't be one rule for one and one rule for another. That car's been parked there for over 5 minutes. Hi, my name is James Cox, and I'm the state coordinator for FIJA, Fully Informed Jury Association. And we're here at the federal courthouse in Broward County. I'm joined today by the guys from Liberty on Tour, Pete Ayer and Adam Mueller. And we're handing out some FIJA brochures to educate the people on their rights, not only to judge the case and the facts of the case, but also the law itself. Where's the judgment for you? Information about your rights, sir? Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
You go across the street, do all the videoing you want. You can't be on the side.
I can't be on the sidewalk?
You can't be videoing the building. This is what I'm saying.
Am I hurting anybody?
That's not the point. Those are orders coming down from me.
From you or to
No, from me. If you're testing me,
I'm not,
whatever, sir.
I've never been down here before.
Well, if you like, have him hold the camera, go in and speak to one of the marshals. And just tell him, is it okay to be on the sidewalk videoing the building? Maybe they'll give you an answer.
Isn't this building paid for by taxpayer money and I'm not a taxpayer?
I'm not going to address you.
I mean, if there's no victim, there's no crime. I don't see how you can argue any other thing. Do you have a badge number, sir?
6,742.
Once you pass in here, it's private.
Actually, if you look, this college and that college is actually funded by public's money, taxpayers' money. It's a public school.
They
it's not
don't
private.
but if you see it, it says no soliciting.
We're not soliciting. Do you understand the term soliciting? Do you know what it means?
Yeah, when you give out pamphlets
for what? I'm not giving you this for something in return. I'm trying to educate you.
He says he would like to talk to you.
Tell the lieutenant where I was sitting when I talked to you. Was I on the sidewalk or was I on the road?
Yesterday he was by the police, you know where the benches were, the seats, and he went into there.
Sir, this is a public college. I'll file a lawsuit and I will actually name Officer Blakely in the lawsuit also. She's the only one that has a problem with me.
How do you say I have a problem?
She's the only one that has a problem. The First Amendment, sir, restrains what the government can do. It does not matter what property an individual is on. Sir, I'm not leaving the building because you're telling me to. I'm leaving the building because I have other business elsewhere, okay? Have a great day. She's on her cell phone. Some friend or a family member in the police car. You know what I mean? Look at her running. Ah, he's over there. Go and arrest him. Go and arrest him.
How are you doing, sir?
Good. stuff, ma'am? Do you have a business card? Do you have a business card?
I do not. What's the problem? Private property now.
I'm handing out freedom of speech. I'm not soliciting. It's not asking for anything. It's not asking for business. It's not asking for donations. It's just education.
I'm in the middle of the investigation. I need you to walk away, sir. Okay. Well, that's private property.
It's public property.
Okay. Even though it's public property.
Okay.
That's private property.
It's public property.
Okay. Even though it's public property, it's a college. They do not want you on their property.
Attorney tells me different.
Okay. I'm not here to tell you what your attorney telling you. I'm telling you.
Can I just point to something in law here?
Okay.
From the ACLU? Right here, look. Sidewalks, streets, and parks are what are known as traditional forums. The government cannot deny the public access to a traditional forum, nor can it regulate use of the forum based on the contents of one's speech. Okay? The burden of proof is on the government to show that their regulation is constitutional. The First Amendment restricts what the government can do. It does not matter what property an individual is on.
You have any ID? You have any ID?
Am I required to produce ID?
Huh?
Am I required to produce ID?
Yes, I'm asking you for identification.
Am I required to produce
Yes.
under what law?
Under the law that I have a complaint that you are trespassing on property. The representatives, you have a picture ID.
I'm not on the list.
You don't have any picture ID on you. They do not want you there, okay? And if that's the case, and they're telling you to leave, yes, they have the right to do that. Do you understand that?
If that was true, yes.
Okay.
But it's not true.
Okay, well, I tell you what, they don't want you there. You go back to, what's your date of birth?
I'm not gonna do that.
So you refusing to identify yourself? Because I don't know what, I don't know who this is. This just was something that you, this is just a card that you gave. This could be anybody's card. I don't know if it's you or not. You're refusing to identify yourself. Is that what you're doing?
No, my name's James Cox.
You have a middle name?
My PO box is there.
You have a middle name?
And my telephone.
Do you have a middle name, sir?
Fifth Amendment.
What is your name?
Supervisor Blake, B-L-A-K-N-O-Y.
B-L-A-K what?
B-L-A-K-N-O-Y. The vice president is coming down.
Michael who?
Can you escort her out of class?
What is your last name,
Speak to the officers.
Right now.
I don't see this young.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I just got put down here this year. I have questions about some of these boundaries also. So.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
I would like you to define with this gentleman and this lady what you deem as the sidewalk here, because what you deem as the sidewalk and what I deem as the sidewalk is not what they deem.
Okay, you're not to go onto the property.
I understand. I won't
do you
do
understand that?
But
Okay.
can we define the boundaries here?
Okay,
Right now,
their
some of these
property,
guys-
yeah, their property line, it is established from where the building is.
Okay.
That's their property line.
So if
Where
I'm
the
stood,
building is.
if I'm stood where that parking meter is,
No.
is that their property?
No,
Okay.
just where the building is.
Okay, so I
Okay.
can stand where the parking meter is and where the trees are. Alright, but as soon as I go under the canopies,
Alright.
that's their property.
That is their
Okay,
property.
I'm fine with that. Alright, thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. By your rights. Raised by your rights, sir. Raised the judge won't tell you. Raised by your rights. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Raised the judge won't tell you.
All about right.
Thank you. Information by your rights, Mr. Drew. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You know, she didn't commit to giving the financial.
This information about your rights as a juror. Thank you.